How to fix Monster Hunter Wilds texture not loading and flickering. Experiencing textures not loading or flickering in Monster Hunter Wilds can be frustrating, and here are some simple steps to help fix this issue. Step number 1, update your graphic drivers. Ensure your graphic card drivers are up to date. This can resolve many visual problems, or you can disable compatibility mode. Now, how to do that? Right-click on the game shortcut or executable file. Select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program in compatibility mode and click on Apply and then OK. Step number 3, run the game as administrator. Right-click on the game shortcut or executable file and then select Run as administrator. Step number 4, delete shader or shader cache. So how to do that? Navigate to the game's installation folder, locate and delete the shader cache folder. Restart the game to allow it to rebuild the shader cache. Step number 5, adjust graphic settings. So how to do that? You can lower the graphic settings in the game's option menu and disable features like frame generation or upscaling to reduce strain on your system. Step number 6, reinstall or update graphic drivers. So how to do that? You install your graphic or current graphic drivers, restart your computer, download and install the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. By following these steps, you should see improvement in texture loading and reduce flickering issues in Monster Hunter Wilds. So this is how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds texture not loading and flickering. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.